Okay, this is a video tutorial going to show you how you're going to register to Bitnest with your sponsor link and how you activate your first loop. Okay, so I'm in a MetaMask. This is just a test account. Just a second. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to copy and paste the link of your sponsor. Make sure you copy and paste, don't write it down. So you go down here on the left hand side of your screen of your phone and you click next to home to browser. Okay, now to browser, don't just write any link, you just copy and paste the link of your sponsor. Okay, this is my link, for example, DJQEK. Okay, then you click on go. Okay, when you click on go, then you click, make sure your wallet is open, click on connect, you let it work. You see, make sure this is the account 7. I confirm. You wait, because this is the first time you connect with your sponsor. So let it do the transaction, let it take its time. Okay, now you see on the upper right, you got the wallet there. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to go straight on the loop and we're going to start to open a position. Join loop. Let it always upload, because we are in the Binance Smart Chain. Okay, you see now, I don't see the money reflect here. Okay, so this is a good test. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna, just a second, that's account 7. We're going to click on the wallet. Okay, click on the wallet, you're going to disconnect. Okay, because it can happen. Okay, it can happen because maybe lots of traffic on the blockchain, and now we try to connect again. Okay, that's account 7. We get confirm. You see, right now we see the money. You see this 100 USDT. So I'm going to write, just a second, 100. Okay, then I'm going to choose, for simplicity, the 28 days, which give us 24%. Okay, I'm gonna click on circulation. You always let work. Okay, then you have to confirm. Okay, I'm gonna confirm. Transaction submitted. Let it, where you see in the middle was written submitted successfully. So you wait. Okay, now it's better that you refresh the page. Oh, you see, the position is already there. You see, $100. So after 28 days, you're going to receive on autopilot $124 without any interaction from your part. You have to be on front of your PC. You have to be logged on your MetaMask. On your MetaMask, everything will happen on autopilot. Okay, bye from Sergio Vini.